ABCD is a trapezium where CD is parallel to AB. It is given CD is parallel to AB. This implies that EG is parallel to AB and GF is parallel to DC. It is given to us. It is ascertain and reason type question, and we have to check whether it is true or false. Now, if you will see, if you will draw a line BD is the line that if you will draw, then it divides the whole trapezium into two triangles. So first is in triangle ABD. If you will see in triangle ABD, we will get EG is parallel to AB. As EG is parallel to AB, we can apply basic proportionality theorem in ADB triangle. Because EG is parallel to AB, so it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That means we can write it as ED by AE, which is equal to DG by GB. Similarly, in triangle BCD, we can check that it is CF is parallel to DC, or this implies that DG by GB will be equal to FC by BF. Now we can see over here these two things are same, or we can write this as this implies that ED by AE is equal to FC by BF, or this implies that if you take its reciprocal, then we will get it as AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This is the thing was given actually, you see this thing, hence ascertain is true. Now for reasoning, any line parallel to parallel side of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. This is also true. That means A is true, B is also true. Ascertain is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of, the ascertain. Correct explanation. Hence option A is correct for this. So hence option A is correct. Option A is correct. Next is number 20. We can see here ascertain is degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It is true, because suppose zero polynomial is 0. Zero polynomial is equal to 0, and we can express 0 as 0 into x to the power 0, or we can write also 0 into x to the power 1, or we can write 0 into x to the power 2 or x to the power n. So degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It is true because it can be any number. It can be 0, it can be 1, 2, anything. This is for the ascertain. This ascertain is true, is not defined. Now for if you go for reason, degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. It is also true. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial, non-zero constant can be written as non-zero constant can be written as k. K is any constant, 5, 6, 10. Suppose let it be 5. Then we can write this as 5 into x to the power 0. So degree is 0. That means k into x to the power 0 we can write. So x to the power 0 is the polynomial has degree 0, hence it is also true. Both are true, but it is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Not correct explanation. It is not correct explanation. Hence option B is correct. Option B is correct.